So I've removed the original tiller handle off this motor, and I'm just making sure I've got a really short tiller off a 12 horsepower Tohatsu. Exact same connections here, same drive spindle and everything there. So yeah, that works fine on the motor. What I'm thinking of doing is cutting this off, leaving the shaft, and yeah, mounting a longer tiller on, and then on the end of this, I've taken the rubber off for the minute, but this one actually I can fit a trim button in the end of this handle. So I've milled a hole through the back of the Mercury tiller, and basically got it so that my shafts are all lined up. This aluminium shaft slides up into the stainless shaft to about here. All right, we've had a paint stripper done, and these have been cleaned up, ready to start tacking these together, and then I'll add extra pieces and strengthening to join the two together, and then I'll think about joining the shafts and whatnot. Anyway, that's where I'm up to. All right, so they're welded together now. Still looks pretty ugly at the moment, but I want to continue this shape here, round that off, but I want to continue that shape all the way back to this point, just so it looks nice. I'm gonna weld on some square pieces to just make it look way better. It'll add heaps of strength as well. Probably put a plate on top here so that the height is right. Now I'm just going to grind it all and fair it in. I think that's going to be really strong actually. Awesome. All right, so I've machined a piece of this, I guess it's nylon or something, bushing material, just with angle grinder and stuff, but I've made it into a little bush with two little lugs that fits inside this. Put some notches on. It only just fits. I'll just hold my camera there. So so those little notches slide into the end there. So it really doesn't need to be fixed other than that, because the actual, this rubber handle, when it slides on, will hold that in, and so I think that's good. Awesome. We have a connection. Right, I've just put a little bit of 2-part filler in some areas that I just wanted to smooth out a little bit more. So this is pretty much ready for priming. A few layers of 2-part high fill primer on there, and I've sanded that back, and pretty happy with that. I've added a little bit more filler into this area here just so it looks more even. I had to leave this gap here because this needs to be bolted here. It's already like nice and tight mounted on the nylon packers, but just in case it wears out, you can tighten that a little bit, and this just squishes in a bit. But pretty much ready for a proper prime now, and then a spray, and it will come up really good. One more sand, and then I'll top coat that, and it'll be perfect. All right, I finally finished this multi-function long tiller to steer this guy. There's a standard tiller handle, so my one's about 20 centimeters longer. Makes driving more comfortable. The tiller's you're not reaching around so far to grab the tiller when you're on the back seat. All right, so I finished this tiller handle. The motor's all resprayed, decals, And I have now trim and tilt on this button. There's trim, tilt, trim, tilt, and also now I have on a button here